Hey guys, I'm Jody Fitz. This is a great, quick and easy recipe that you can make super for after school snacks, lunchbox, or Thanksgiving Day snacks for the kids. All right, I'm going to start with a Gala apple and a Golden Delicious apple that I've already pre-washed. I am simply going to slice these up and get rid of the core and make little wedges. Once I'm done, I'm going to put all of those wedges into a snap and seal or Ziploc style bag. I'm going to add a couple of shakes of cinnamon to the mix. I'm going to seal it up and I'm going to shake it all about. Now that my apple pieces are completely coated with the cinnamon, I'm going to set them to the side. And now we're going to make a simple but easy dip. All right, I already have Greek yogurt in here and low-fat vanilla yogurt. And now I'm going to add a little bit of that delicious caramel that you can find at your Price Chopper Market 32 store right in the produce aisle near the apples. I'm going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter. Don't forget, if you have any allergies, there is a super delicious alternative called Wow Butter that you can find right in the allergy-friendly aisle. And then I'm going to top off these flavors with a little bit of cinnamon. And now we're going to fold it together. All right, you can eat all of this together just as is. Take the apple slices out, dip them in, or you can pack it up for lunch in an airtight container. But on Thanksgiving Day, we're going to turn it into a turkey. So first I'm going to take the dip. I'm going to put some into the bowl. Now I'm going to take the apple slices and alternating with the red and the green, I'm going to create feathers around the bowl like a turkey. Okay, I held one apple back so I could just cut off the corner. Now we're going to take that little corner wedge we cut and we're going to put it right into the dip to serve as our turkey's nose. I'm going to grab 2 chocolate chips, turn them upside down with the points into the dip. And there you go. The kids can create a very fun activity for Thanksgiving.